Dear colleagues, dear friends, we are thrilled to invite you to the 17th Panhellenic and 12th Balkan Congress of Nuclear Medicine, taking place from May 8th to May 11th this year in the beautiful city of Athens, Greece. This conference is a premier event in our region that brings together leading researchers, clinicians, and industry professionals to explore the latest breakthroughs, share knowledge, and shape the future of nuclear medicine. The motto of the conference is Joining Forces, which aims not only to further strengthen the development of nuclear medicine in the Balkan region, but also to emphasize the need of collaboration between medical specialties. Balkan Congress this year will cover cutting-edge topics, including diagnostic imaging, such as in oncology, neurology, and cardiology, theranostics, artificial intelligence in nuclear medicine, and much more. BCNM 2025 will include keynote presentations by world-renowned experts and pioneers in nuclear medicine, oral and poster sessions highlighting research from around the world, an exhibition hall showcasing the latest innovations in nuclear medicine technology, and networking opportunities to connect with peers and industry leaders. This year, we gather in Athens to share knowledge and shape the future of healthcare in nuclear medicine. Athens, a city full of rich history, culture, and scientific heritage, provides the perfect backdrop for this event. Join us to not only advance your professional knowledge, but also to experience the charm of this iconic city. Don't miss this opportunity to be part of this event. Share your research, connect with peers, and contribute to the advancement of nuclear medicine. See you in Athens.